Hi everyone, and welcome to my icebreaker introduction video. My name is Ben Kane. Um, so my research experience has been a little bit on the limited side. I definitely wouldn't consider myself someone who's an expert in research or research methods or anything like that. Obviously, I've had to read different studies and like interpret things. But that's about the extent of it. I've never really had to do any research of my own. And then I kind of have a good understanding of what is good research, what is bad research, when is data like um, tainted through like biases and stuff like that. But that's about it. As far as what makes research fun for me, it just kind of depends on the topic and if I'm interested in it, to be honest. A lot of things that deal with like humanities and like social issues, stuff like that, definitely makes it, I don't know, necessarily fun is the right word, but it definitely makes it interesting and I enjoy reading through information like that. And for this course, I'm really excited about the like big group project. It's funny, I used to hate group projects in undergrad, where we met face to face. But so far in my Widener experience, I've really enjoyed working on group projects, and I'm really excited to work on that one in this semester. So thank you guys for watching my video.